Yeah, 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 yeah. Gala say on me cleaning and nah. Gala said the way me cleaning and nah. Yeah, yeah. Boom! What's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, say it's your boy FaySkull, and welcome to another video, another week of the top 10 dancehall countdown. This is the channel where we showcase all top 10 trending dancehall songs within Jamaica the past week. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button right below the video and like the video so we can grow the channel. AI, how was that intro? Alright, cool. Alright, so guys, before me start off the video, start off the top 10 dancehall countdown, I want to share a video with all of the hustlers them out there. Everybody who is actually trying to make something of their life right now. Just listen to this.
Money over pussy any day?
Hell yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that.
You think I take pussy over money?
Maybe some days.
No way. No day.
I'm saying, bro, as long as you work on yourself, don't chase this. Chase this, and we will get this. Because you know what they chasing? This. Exactly. Exactly.
To be honest, I'm just chasing money right now. Girls is my least worry. I'm chasing money and hustling.
You know absolutely everything about girls, but you know absolutely nothing about money. I don't know if you ever realize, but this shit is not funny. You are poor. You're broke. Stop chasing girls. You're poor.
Always remember, you chase money. Never chase bitches. Never. Ever.
What I try to tell you, this country, you gotta make the money first. Then when you get the money, you get the power. Then when you get the power, then you get the woman. That's why you gotta make your own moves.
Bro, get you some money, you gonna feel different.
Straight up.
You might even, all that other advice I could have gave you, this is the short version. You know, get you a couple dollars, man, you gonna feel different.
Alright, so that's it, guys. You see me? That's the short video that I wanted to share with you guys. What I want to know is if this video is actually for persons who is out there actually chasing their dreams, trying to accomplish goals and whatever their heart desire. Basically, it's saying that you should chase your dreams, don't chase short gratifications and so forth. So yo, just keep the money, keep your vision, keep your goal at a narrow vision, whatever straight line vision. As I say you can actually reach your goal quicker. Alright, so guys, we are get right into the top 10 dancehall countdown right now. So we can start off or kickstart top 10 trending dancehall songs in Jamaica. So right now, guys, me have a layout right here that's actually showing the top 10 songs in Jamaica from July 11th to August 7th, 2025. So at the number one spot, we will start off from the number one spot. It go further out. I think it actually stopped at 20. You see me? But we're gonna start at the number 10 spot. And at the number 10 spot, we have Content and Rags to Riches. Song title, Rags to Riches. Let's go.
Place I'ma come from me, every look at you via the lines. Every time you fall, your eyes. So nobody here on a winning streak.
Alright, so your dog was saying they're on a winning streak.
Winning streak, when I home, I come see I'm still in the lead. Designer me, I rock with the tees, flash on.
Alright, and I realize with the nowadays dancehall rhythm them, the rhythm have feel in the night. They can feel what the dog them a sing say. Listen.
On the time forward with the Mary jeans. I want my tap in the beast and every girl see me Jana say we are me.
You know if you hear it have a keyboard we go dun dun dun. Put on a headphone and listen to it. But that's at the number 10 spot. At the number 9 spot now we have, let's ensure see, we have Nigy Boy. Let's see number 9 spot. Let's go over here. At the number 9 spot we have Nigy Boy with Options. This one sound like for the ladies them. All right, let's see options. Let her know that we have options.
Hey, calm down, cool your jets. Me no give a damn if you want. If you not give it up, then me call the next. Calm down.
All right, you know me can't play with that one.
Remember, everybody have a duplicate. Me have options better than.
All right, so that's at the number 9th spot. Nigy Boy with options. All right, so at the number 8 spot now we have Masicka with Mute. Let's go ahead and listen to this one. Let's go. Come back. What we're supposed to go. A gunshot in there. That is it. That's Masicka right there with Mute at the number 8 spot. Let's confirm. All right, at the number 9 spot again, we have Nigy Boy. Man, you know how that song you are trending 2 times.
On me, so she want put it on me panny front seat. Up like book and make me read her story.
All right, so we know how that sound go already. We don't really have to play it too long, as in. But anyways, at the number what is that now? 6 spot now we have Armanii featuring Malie, 8 p.m. Let's run the song. Let's go. Come back. See if we can catch verse. Let's say that. Alright, see that? Alright, net now moves 100. Alright. I'm set. Load up. Alright. Alright, so that now play. So anyways, that's at the number 6 spot. At the number 5th spot now we have Shake It to the Max with Shenseea, Skillibeng, Sand, Addy and MOLIY. Let's go. Skillibeng. We're set. You're set. Alright, so that's at the number 5th spot. Shake It to the Max. Now at the number 4th spot we have NY Girls featuring Chronic Law. Well, Chronic Law, NY Girls featuring Cjthechemist. Let's go. And guys, this is Chronic Law biggest song right now. Is it me? Well, not the biggest song. What I mean is that it around the place right now. Is it me? Or should I say that girl? Shut up, here we are. But anyways, so at the number, let's see over there now. At the number 3rd spot now we have Ames and ARRDEE. Need Somebody. I don't think I've heard. Oh, I think we're there 2nd spot. At the number 2nd spot now we have Masicka featuring Rvssian. Rich Sex. Let's go. One thing with Masicka music video them, you know, it always clean the video them different. You see me I say? I don't know, the video them are always different. What? Alright, wait out, son. Great job, Rich. I have to say it then. Alright, so that's at the number second spot. At the number one spot now. Who is at the number one spot? We have Valiant featuring Rvssian, Passenger Princess. I want to tell you, the rhythm where Rvssian job. I think the rhythm name Storybook Rhythm. The rhythm around the place right now. We have Valiant, we have Craft on it, Vybz Kartel, we have Masicka on it, we have Najari on it, and who else me on it again? Where that name again? Jano, where that name again? Where that name again? Remember where that name? Yeah man, you're a whole artist on the rhythm, brother. But this is Passenger Princess by Valiant at the number one spot. Let's go. What's up? Alright guys, so those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs in Jamaica. As you can see right here with the mouse is at the top songs Jamaica from July 11th to August 7th 2025. Alright, so we have a next section on the page where we can see the top artists them in Jamaica, and this is like the top 15 artists, is it me? So we have to go from way out there, so but we have to do it from the top 10. Is it me? So from the top 10 spot, starting from number 10, we have Popcorn with 3.10 million views on YouTube right now. Is it me? I say, and we have Malie down with 3.60 million views. We have Rvssian with 3.3 million views at the number 8 spot. Valiant at number 7 spot with 4 million views. And Squash at number 6 spot with 4.6 mil views, and we have Alkaline with 5.18 mil views, or over 5 million views. So we have Skipper at the number 6, at number 4th spot with 6 mil views. Masicka with 7 mil views. At the number 2nd spot we have Vybz Kartel with 8 mil views. Then we have Chronic Law with 12 mil views. So what I want to know if you do know, people, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section of what's your favorite, who is your favorite artist that is actually trending right now, or it doesn't have to be any of the artists that's actually trending in the charts. It could be any artist, any upcoming artist, or so forth. I want if you tell me what's your favorite song. Is it me? If you have not yet liked the video or subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so right now. The button is right below the video right there. You can click it. You're taking nothing for subscribe. You're taking nothing for like the video. So like the video, subscribe, and support the channel so we can grow. Is it me? I say. Until next time, people. FaySkull out. Boom.
We buy them by the bulk, Christina, what me mean. New York, she get the brands, them pile up like the dirt. Have the latest set of Euro casual without the same. Adidas in every call them up from me a thing. Who was it like a boot steward, a many body jinx. Just a crushed stone bulldozer. Fresh tattoo, straight jeans and a snap black. The way me clocks clean this way, they look normal.